Alright, so what we have here is the Dream Gear unit. It's got 60 games in one. These are the controllers that it comes with. This is the light gun. It's pretty cool, so what we want to do is take the kind of connector that it uses, which as you can see here is a DB9, and we want to convert that to use in a regular Nintendo system. And the other thing we have is the Retron 3. This is a 3-in-1 system. You can play Nintendo, Super Nintendo, and Sega Genesis games on it. And what's cool is it uses all the original plugs. As you can see here, that's the original NES plug built in. So this controller right here goes right into it. Hopefully, with our adapters, we'll be able to use the Famiclone controllers as well. To get started, you'll need to get a Nintendo NES extension cable and a Sega Genesis extension cable, both of which can be procured relatively cheap on eBay or Amazon. And here's our Sega Genesis extension cable, and here's the Nintendo NES extension cable. Some guides will have you cutting up your controllers. I'd rather cut up the extension cables. That way you've got an adapter that'll work with any controller. So we're going to go ahead and cut these open. Just be careful when you're cutting. Remember, you're not invincible. Alright, when you're done cutting, all you have to do is connect the appropriate wires together. There's a diagram on my site you can use. It'll tell you exactly which wires go where. And you can either connect them using a terminal like I did in this picture, or you can just connect them directly to each other and use some electrical tape to sew it shut. Either way is fine. It'll do the job. Alright, so now we can field test the adapter. Let's go ahead and test it out with the gun. As we can see, Duck Hunt is in the system, and plugged in is only a single light gun. Let's turn the system on. That's not going to work. Just turn it on with my fingers then. Let's test it out with two ducks. I'd say the test is a success. And now we have plugged into the Dream Gear system the adapter and an official NES controller. So let's go ahead and test this out. Let's turn the system on here. Got a list of games, alright. There's some fish. Alright, so as we can see, the Nintendo controller works fine in this game. Can't believe I lost. Stupid controller.